SQL extensions are formulas that need no more than the add-in, meaning there is nothing to be imported, there is no macro-enabled workbook needed, there is no reference to the SQL module necessary. It just works as soon as you have the add-in installed. So we're going to look at an extension which is built in, which is the InSQL extension. There is a file called sql.xlsx in the course material, so we're just going to open that. And as we see, we do have the SQL add-in here, but when we just quickly go to Alt F11, our VBA editor, we see we do not have here any reference to the SQL module. And I also, as I mentioned, I have an XLSX, so no macro-enabled workbook necessary for that. There's a possibility to create custom extensions, and we will get to that in an advanced tutorial. But for now, let's just see what we currently ship with SQL. As I said, this is the InXL SQL extension. It works by using the SQL formula. As I said, as soon as you have the SQL add-in installed, you have that formula available. And you can write some SQL statements. As you can see from the formula here, the first one is the SQL statement, and then you refer to the different tables you're using here by the letters of the alphabet. So the first one is A, the second one is B, and that allows us to very easily put together a statement here and get the outcome from that SQL statement joining these two tables. So then I can easily change that from a left join into from an inner join into a left join, or I can obviously leave away the last name. So this is really a flexible way, and it's just instantly available without having to do any extra work to get to that SQL function. The dialect that we're using here, by the way, is the SQLite dialect, because in the back it's pushing these tables into an in-memory database, and that is the SQLite database.